Good Friday morning. I love going through this article and sharing with you. It doesn't seem to be getting much attention, but I just wanted to show you where it is in case you want to go through it yourself. I love sharing it and love reading it. Hopefully, I'm not boring you with my reading, but there it is. Unsearchable Riches, November 7, 1977, being the sixth number of volume 68. You can go to Concordant Publishing Concern and actually find it yourself. Actually, I'll show you the title of it too, just so you didn't miss the title of this series. It's God's Dwelling Place by John Essex, The Divine Service of the Celestials. It's so important to understand what Christ represents as far as the offering, basically, of divine service to God the Father through Christ, our brother, our head, and it's for the whole of the universe, including the celestial realm. We don't recognize that. I find that there's not many people focusing on our allotment among the celestials now. Probably for the reason that we don't know what it's going to be like when we're snatched away and taken to that celestial realm. But I love to take you to them heights in spirit, because that's where God has us, in spirit, next to God in Christ. Be seeking that which is above. I watched Dean and Chris this morning, and they brought out that passage in Colossians, I believe. Don't remember. I think chapter 4 or whatever, but it was so awesome. That passage is so awesome because it says, focus on that which is above, not on that which is on the earth. For your life is hid together with Christ in God. Think of that every day when you wake up. Wow, that should brighten your day, and that should get you going and alive. It does for me when I think and dwell on the things above in spirit. I have that little spark, that little tiny glimmer that I give you every day, because that's it. It's a spiritual glimmer. And it's bright, believe me, it's bright. At the days of Christ, you'll see it. Maybe you don't see it in me now, but that's fine. At the days of Christ, we'll see it with all our brothers and sisters together as one body, one complete body in Christ, and Christ as our head and brother. Our brother's coming for us swiftly, believe me. Just hold on and stand. Stand in Christ. He'll make you stand anyway. God will make you stand in Christ anyway. He does it with me. He changes the man within. And that's exactly what he's doing with all of us, every single one of us, maturing us up in Christ, so that when we snatched away, the old humanity is completely gone. Completely. It is already in spirit. The man within is the new creation. The man within is the new humanity. Walking in newness of life comes from within, the heart. The outward man, this ugly frame and bleh, see, is dying. Needs to be washed every day with soap and water and shampoo and smelly stuff. I don't even have teeth. So there you go. The outward man decays. The inward man is being renewed every single moment of every single day. I don't want to ramble on here too much. We got 3 minutes in already. My son turns 19 today. They grow up so fast, but at least he stays home with mom and dad. He has his whole basement down there, which is great. I'm thankful for that. I'll show you a picture of our boy when he was just younger. Yeah, amazing, eh? They grow up so fast. Just crazy. But at least he stays home and out of the world, out of the crazy world, and he's going to have his little party tonight for his birthday down there with his friends, so that's cool. All right. So, now Christ coming along, a chief priest of the impending good things. Think about it, the impending good things next to Eons. Wow. Through the greater and more perfect tabernacle not made by hands. That is, not of this creation, not even through the blood of he-goats and calves, but through his own blood, entered once for all time into the holy places, finding Eonian redemption, full, complete. The blood of bulls and he-goats had only a limited efficiency. It might hallow to the cleanliness of the flesh. Well, yeah, that's what the washing and cleaning of the flesh, but the flesh is dead. The old humanity is dead. But it could not make the one offering divine service perfect as to conscience. The blood of Christ, on the other hand, was efficient enough in the cleansing of conscience from dead works, so that the one thus hallowed might be offering divine service to the living and true God. Okay, this is my Friday show. Oh, no, I got 5 more minutes. I'll try to finish a little bit more here. The cleansing of the tabernacle. With the announcement of the inauguration of the new covenant comes a dissertation on the necessity and value of the blood of the covenant victim, without which the covenant is not ratified and therefore not available. This leads to a remarkable succession of statements in Hebrews chapter 9, verses 18 through 22. Hebrews chapter 9, 18, verse 18 through 22, in which it is shown that not only the people, as well as the scroll of the covenant, but also the tabernacle itself and all the vessels of the ministry were sprinkled with the blood. Indeed, it is stated that almost all is being cleansed in blood. This is surely significant. Okay, so we'll continue on with this on another video, because it goes into Leviticus 16. So I'll give you a little project for your home study if you want, looking at the Aaron priesthood for the earth for Israel in Leviticus 16, verses 15 through 20. And I'll go into that about the propitiation of the holy place in the next video, because it goes on, it goes up, levels up to the celestial realm, right to the throne room of God, next to God in Christ. I loved what Dean and Chris put out, a great video concerning our focus on that which is above. Verses from Colossians. I think it's Colossians chapter 4, they said, but yeah. So there's our focus, in spirit. And that's the man within. So this Friday, I say grace and peace. Have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you on the next video.